Hey guys, welcome back to another vlogmas episode. As you can see, it's day 11. It's day 11. I look like I'm at home, but I'm not. We're out and about actually, and I totally forgot to do an intro. We're at IKEA, so I'm sitting down doing an intro in one of the showrooms. It's like for a little small space, but it's cute. Yeah, the whole family is here. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here and say welcome to another vlog. If you're new to the channel, welcome. And if you're one of my day ones, welcome back. We came here for particular things, but we're just walking around looking for some stuff. They already left me, so let's go. Here they are. Say hi, Papa. Say hi.
Look at this, babe.
Yes, I like these. I don't know if it will work with that, but I think it should. I like these. These are nice. Always changing stuff up, and this is one of those times. But these are small. These are really small. These are really small. But it's cute though. I think it's like it's dorm room friendly. Oh yeah, this is cute.
No, it is.
It's not real, sweetie.
Yes, it is.
It's a demo. She's over here saying it's real. It's not real. It's a shell. This is what your dorm's gonna look like?
Yes.
Yeah?
I'm getting it.
Guys, we lost Ja. I don't know where he is, and we're here waiting in the warehouse for him. You take your husband to IKEA and you lose him. And the kids are getting fussy because they want something to eat. We're gonna get something to eat after this. Yeah, I lost my husband in IKEA, y'all.
I did.
It's called the warehouse. That's the last place. They have real plants. What do you mean home organization? Say hi. Say hi. Oh, I totally forgot to show y'all. This is how Zane's hair turned out.
A lot of boring math later.
We are back home. I am tired. You can see it in my face. Oh my goodness. Yeah, we are back home. I know this vlog is all over the place. Your girl's tired. Really tired. Yeah. Oh, but hubby, he surprised me with a little gift. Early Christmas present. Mind you, this is something I did not even ask for, but I am appreciative of it. As you can see, I can't even lift it up because it's out there. It's a big box. As you can see, I always have this chair, right? I always have this chair. This is hubby's chair. This is one of hubby's Herman Miller chairs that he used for work. And I copped one because I needed a chair for my office. I needed somewhere to sit. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm like, I took his. I wasn't worried about getting myself a chair because I got a chair, his chair. And it's I have a bad back. It's comfortable, but I put let me see. So look, let me take my stuff off of it, okay? This is what the chair looks like. It's a really good chair for the price. Feel how much it costs? It better be a good damn chair, but it is a good chair. So this is the chair, and I usually put a pillow on it, and I put my little throw, right? Because Natasha, that's just me. That's just me, right? So this is what the chair looks like. Ignore the mess. Ignore the mess. This is where I'm always sitting. That's what the chair looks like. Really nice. Love it. Sometimes it hurts my back. Sometimes it doesn't. But yeah. So let me go grab the chair he got me. Such a big kid. It's not as bulky as yours.
What are you trying to say?
Your chair is huge.
Oh, I get it. You it's like a switch.
Hey. I thought you broke it. Broke my nail and I don't have nail.
Because you're not supposed to be using
the chair
your nail.
comes. It's not my nail, it's my finger. It comes with back support because y'all know I have back problems. But yeah, it's really soft. I don't have to put my pillow on there. But of course, I'm gonna put my little throw on there. Of course, you know, give it a little oomph. But it's cute.
Like the fact that it has the white.
I know it's gray and white, my two favorite shades. Okay, I need to stop doing this now. I'm getting dizzy. I'm getting dizzy. But it's cute and it goes with my aesthetic.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks, babe.
You're welcome. Anything for my lady.
This is where I'm gonna end today's vlog. Yeah, you wanna say bye? You wanna say see you tomorrow?
Oh,
Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see y'all in tomorrow's vlog.